Want to make money online but don't know how? Well, worry no more. Here are 30 websites where you can earn money right from your home. First up, Digista24 and ClickBank. They are affiliate marketplaces where you can earn commissions by promoting various products. Next, there's Google Opinion Rewards. This app pays you for answering simple questions. If you're a photographer or videographer, consider Shutterstock. It's a goldmine where you can sell your stunning photos and captivating videos to earn money. It's time to turn your passion into profit. Then there's Lime Scooters, a unique opportunity that pays you to recharge electric scooters. For those with a keen ear, Scribby, GoTranscript and Rev.com offer pay for transcribing audio and video content. Upwork is a platform for freelancers to offer their skills and services, while EnrollApp, Tramata.com, and UserTesting.com pay you for testing different businesses, apps and websites. Are you a teacher at heart? Udemy allows you to create and sell online courses. Gumroad is perfect for selling digital products like ebooks and guides. Have a voice for radio? Check out voices.com where you can get paid for voiceover work. If you're an expert in a particular field, clarity.fm allows you to consult and get paid for your expertise via phone calls. For those who prefer more hands-on work, care.com, Thumbtack, TaskRabbit, and rover.com offer opportunities to earn money by offering services like housekeeping, pet sitting, tutoring, local services, and various tasks and errands. Want to get paid to shop? Recruiting.com offers cashback while shopping online. If you don't mind hitting the road, DoorDash, Uber Eats and Postmates, and Instacart offer opportunities to earn money by delivering restaurant orders and groceries to customers. Rent a Friend is a unique website where you can get paid to be someone's friend. For the creative minds, Squad Help allows you to compete in contests to suggest brand names, logos, and more. And last but not least, YouTube. Create and upload videos with long-term earning potential through ads, affiliate marketing, and course promotion. In conclusion, there are numerous opportunities online for anyone wanting to earn money. Whether you're a freelancer, a creative mind, or someone just wanting to make some extra cash, these 30 websites offer a variety of ways to pad your wallet. Remember, the internet is teeming with opportunities. You just need to know where to look.